Hey everybody, today we are going to macerate. We're going to use some onions and garlic, incorporate that flavor into our milk. It's going to be great. Get right to it. So the first step is we're going to get our pot hot and we're going to add our milk to it. I'm using 1 cup of milk in this. We don't want this to burn. We're going to keep it around 180 degrees. Now we're going to take our garlic and we're going to chop garlic. Get the skin off the garlic. I'm going to use 2 pieces of garlic in this. I want big pieces because we want to strain this out. So we just add some garlic, and now we're going to add an onion. And we'll cut half of that in the skin. And we're just going to chop it, again, big pieces. And we're going to put that into our milk. And we're going to get it up to about 180 degrees. And the way I know it's 180 degrees is we use a temperature monitor. So right now we're at 126 degrees. This whole process will take about 15 minutes as well. Now when you start seeing bubbles on the side, that's about the right temperature. It's been about 15 minutes. Our milk is perfect, and we're going to strain the milk into this pot. I have a strainer on top. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't need the onion or garlic any longer, because we've taken out all of the flavor. They're actually very bland at this point. So here we can get rid of that. And then I'm going to take my milk and put it back in my milk container. And now, this is delicious. So now there's no onions and no garlic in here. However, we're going to use this for our bread, which is going to create a garlic, oniony flavor inside the bread without any hint of where that flavor came from. But you know the secrets now, don't you? Talk to you soon.